Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have some rechargeable hand warmers. So we're gonna go ahead and check this out here. And let's see what we got in here. So it comes with a little baggie to hold them in. Nice. We have the instruction manual. Comes with a couple of cables. This is USB to USB-C. We've got two of those. And then we have our hand warmers here. So that's everything out of the box, I think. I don't think there's anything under there. Nope, there's not. Okay. So these are them here. So it looks like a little battery bank kind of things here. So, and which is what it's usable for as well. You can see it's got the USB-C for the inputs, and it's got some USB plugs for the outputs. We have the little button we can push here, I think is going to be the power. Yes, if I hold it down, it turns it on. Oh man, it got hot fast. There's 1, 2, 3. I have 3 levels of heatness. I'll leave this one on 3 and this one on 1. Instantly, it started getting warm. And so this is nice because it's got a good grip. You can grip all the way around it so it'll warm up your whole hands. So that's kind of cool. And man, that got fast. That got hot so fast, it just warmed up. I guess whatever coil was in there, it was immediate. And let's see. And look at that. They can magnetize together. Oh, it's got some good things. So you won't lose them. So that's good. You just kind of put in a pocket and have them there. And we are still heating up here. So I'm just going to give a test difference between this one has 3 lights and this one has 1. So we'll see how different it does. But it's cool because it has the little pouch too. So you just stick them in this pouch and carry them along with you. You could carabiner it onto your ski jacket or something like that if you need to. This is great. If you have kids that are just sitting out there waiting for the bus or something in the cold, they could wear it. If you're on the ski lift, you could hold these as well. Or even just keeping them in the car to kind of warm yourself up when you get out on a cold day. So, okay, so now I've gotten to the point where this one here is warmer than this one. So the 3, so it took a while. So they both got hot, they both got warm, they're totally warm. But this one here now is starting to get even warmer. So they speed up about the same speed no matter which button you have pushed. But the one on the 3 just keeps getting hotter and hotter. So yeah, it's definitely warmer. That's really cool. So it's a great little device. So you saw this video, it's been like 2 minutes and it started getting warm instantly. And now after 2 minutes, we have a difference here. And this one here is getting really warm. It'd be great to like just stick in a pocket and keep everything warm. So I'm going to say these are great, and it just keeps getting warmer and warmer. But these are awesome, and let me see, and then to turn it back off, I guess I'm going to just hold down the button again. Yes, I held down the button, and now they are both off again. So it'll probably take a few minutes to cool down, but really cool, nice little things here, hand warmers. So if you need some hand warmers or you want some to just kind of stay warm, these are good ones. Thumbs up.